Wealth isn't about being smarter, luckier, or built different. It's about how you think about money, how you behave under pressure, and what habits you repeat for years. Most people fail at money not because they don't earn enough, but because they manage money the same way whether they earn $1,000 or $100,000. Rich people don't. 1. Wealth starts in the mind, not the bank account. Before rich people ever had money, they had a different relationship with money. Most people see money as something to spend, a reward, a way to feel successful, a solution to emotions, stress, boredom, insecurity. Wealthy people see money as a tool, a multiplier, a stored form of effort, a seed, not a prize. They don't ask, "What can I buy?" They ask, "What can this money become?" That one mental shift changes everything. 2. They separate earning from wealth. Here's a harsh reality. High income does not equal rich. Some of the most broke people earn a lot because their lifestyle expands with income. Their expenses grow faster than their assets. Their money leaks everywhere. Wealthy people know income equals fuel. Wealth equals engine. They build systems that work even when they stop working. That's why some teachers retire comfortably. Some celebrities go broke. Some business owners quietly become millionaires. 3. They build systems, not willpower. Most people rely on motivation. I'll save if I remember. I'll invest when I feel ready. I'll stop spending next month. Rich people rely on systems. Automatic saving. Automatic investing. Bills scheduled. Clear rules for spending. Why? Because willpower is unreliable. Systems don't get tired. If money decisions happen automatically, emotions don't get involved. 4. They treat every dollar like an employee. This is a big one. Rich people mentally assign every dollar a job. Some dollars pay bills. Some grow. Some protect emergency money. Some create opportunities. Some are allowed to be spent for fun. But no dollar is idle. Most people don't do this. Their money just disappears. Rich people constantly ask, "Is this dollar working? Or is it lazy?" Lazy money gets fired. 5. They understand the difference between good and bad expenses. Not all spending is equal. Bad expenses impress people, provide short-term pleasure, don't improve future earning, create ongoing costs. Good expenses increase skills, save time, improve health, create opportunities, reduce future costs. Rich people don't avoid spending, they spend intentionally. They'll hesitate to buy status items but spend freely on learning, tools, time-saving solutions. 6. They don't budget like normal people. Most people budget like this. Here's what I spend. Let's try to cut it. Rich people budget like this. 1. Decide goals first. 2. Allocate money toward those goals. 3. Design spending around what's left. They reverse the process. Instead of, "What can I save after spending?" they ask, "What can I spend after investing?" 7. They use time as a weapon. Time is the most unfair advantage in money. Wealthy people understand. Small, consistent actions beat big. Random ones compounding rewards. Patience, early moves matter more than big moves later. That's why they start early, think in decades, don't panic over short-term losses. They know wealth grows slowly, then suddenly. 8. They avoid lifestyle inflation, even when they can afford it. When most people earn more, they upgrade everything, lock themselves into higher expenses, trap themselves in golden handcuffs. Rich people upgrade selectively. Comfort, status, value, appearance, freedom, flexing. They keep expenses lower than their earning power, which creates margin. Margin creates safety. Safety creates confidence. Confidence creates better decisions. 9. They know cash flow is king. Being rich on paper doesn't mean much if bills are stressful, income is unstable, expenses are high. Wealthy people prioritize predictable income, low stress, liquidity, access to cash. They care less about looking impressive. bragging rights, temporary spikes. Cash flow equals peace.